3 o'r gloch. Helo, croeso nôl. Croeso I 10 am 3. Welcome back to 10 am 3, 10 or 3, your daily Welsh lesson. Helen dwi. Shwt wyt ti? Dwi'n hoffi coffi, ond dwi ddim yn hoffi smwddio. Wyt ti'n hoffi rygbi? Ydw. Nac ydw. That was just a little recap on what we did yesterday. Now today, Gwers 5. And we're not going to do any new vocab today because we had quite a lot yesterday. Let's go over it. I'll show you my props. You tell me the words. Cawl. Pysgod. Pêl and pêl-droed, football. Te and smwddio. Okay, now te. Today, no new vocab, but we are going to look at something new. In Gwers 2, I mentioned that we have 2 ways in Welsh of saying you. Ti, which we've been doing all week, wyt ti'n hoffi, shwt wyt ti, ble wyt ti'n byw. But we also have chi. Chi. Now, we've seen this sound in the word. What's the word for 6? Chwech. So you is chi. And you is always used when we're speaking to more than one person, which is something I use quite often in the house. If I'm offering everyone a cuppa, it's do you want? Ddechreuwyr, yeah, chi. You can also use it as a sign of respect, maybe someone older than you. So for today, please respect me so we can practice this pattern and we can get back to being friendly. Next Monday. Okay, so have a little listen. We know do you like is wyt ti'n hoffi. So to say do you like, we just substitute wyt ti for dichi. Dichi, try it. Dichi. Dichi. Dichi, it's actually 2 words. Dich, chi. But they go together and it sounds like one in a way. Dichi. So, do you like? Dichi'n hoffi. Try it. Dichi'n hoffi. Ask me, do I like these things? Dichi'n hoffi cawl? Dichi'n hoffi pysgod? Dichi'n hoffi smwddio? Dichi'n hoffi pêl-droed? Dichi'n hoffi te? And if you're just asking me, as a sign of respect, I of course will answer in the normal way. Ydw? Nac ydw. But, Teddy, if you were asking both of us, we have a new answer because we rarely say yes in Welsh or no. Ydw actually means I do or I am. So if you're asking us, do you want? We'll say, yes, we do. So, dichi'n hoffi te? Ydyn. 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 So you can see it starts the same way as ydw, just me. But yes, we do. Ydyn. Try it. Dichi'n hoffi te? Ydyn. Or the plural, or the negative would be nac ydyn. Nac ydw, nac ydyn. Try it. Nac ydyn. Nac ydyn. Okay, so answer my questions and pretend I'm asking more than one of you, just to practice. Ydyn, nac ydyn. Dichi'n hoffi te? Ydyn, nac ydyn. Dichi'n hoffi cawl? Ydyn, nac ydyn. pysgod? Ydyn nac ydyn? Dych chi'n hoffi smwddio? Ydyn nac ydyn? Dych chi'n hoffi pêl-droed? Ydyn nac ydyn? And of course, we can build up loads of plural questions now. So how would you say, do you drive? Dych chi'n gyrru? So if you're asking us both, we'd answer ydyn. If we don't, we'd say nac ydyn. Try some more. Dych chi'n gyrru? Do you read? Dych chi'n darllen? Do you read the Western Mail? Dych chi'n darllen the Western Mail? Do you shop? Dych chi'n shopper? Ydyn nac ydyn? Are you learning Welsh? Dych chi'n dysgu Cymraeg? Ydyn nac ydyn? Right, just half a minute. If you just see me, answer ydw. If you see both of us, you can answer ydyn or nac ydyn, of course. Okay. Dych chi'n hoffi pobl y cwm? Ydw nac ydw, because it's just me. Dych chi'n hoffi Coronation Street? Ydyn nac ydyn? Dych chi'n gyrru tractor? Ydyn nac ydyn? Dych chi'n dysgu Cymraeg? Everybody's answered ydyn. Dych chi'n dysgu Cymraeg? Ydw. So at the top of these lessons, I've been saying should I ti. But thankfully, there's more than one of you watching us. So from next week on, I'll be saying should I chi. Yeah? Da iawn, iawn, or maybe wedi blino. Okay, so do you remember how are you with the familiar form? Should I ti? So, plural. Should I chi? How do we say where are you with the familiar form? Ble rwyt ti? Plural. Ble dych chi? Where do you live? Ble dych chi'n byw? Where do you shop? Ble dych chi'n shopper? Where are you learning Welsh? Ble dych chi'n dysgu Cymraeg? And the answer, of course, yn y cartre, at home. Let's also do a little recap of the numbers we've had so far and add one more. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So one more for today is saith. 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 Just listen to me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, saith. A chi? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, saith. So the main thing we've learned today is chi. And I now want to do something really important. We're here on Facebook, National Centre for Learning Welsh, helping you stay positive at home and learn a new skill. But I think what is upmost in all our minds at the moment is the people out there helping us keep safe. So we want to learn another new word you probably know if you know any Welsh anyway, which is thank you, which means diolch. 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 But because we now know chi, I want you to learn the phrase diolch I chi, which is specifically saying thank you. Diolch I chi. So from everyone in the Dysgu Cymraeg community, let's give a big diolch I chi to all of those out there working to keep us safe. 1, 2, 3, diolch I chi. Yeah, Diolch I chi. And diolch I chi too for learning with me, with us this week. We're taking a break now, tomorrow and Sunday, but please remember to revise everything by using our digital resources on learnwelsh.cymru. Look at the taster courses, but you can look specifically, please, over the weekend at Uned 1, Unit 1 of the entry-level course, and also you can start looking at Uned 2, which is introducing Hoffi. Also, if you'd like to purchase a copy of the book we're roughly following, you can purchase it. It's the entry-level book for learners on the website gwales.com, and again, we'll put the address up for you. So, diolch yn fawr, gwela I chi dydd Llun. I'll see you on Monday. Keep safe over the weekend. Diolch I chi.